Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will be unboxing the Nissan Skyline 4-door GT. So this is the Chichiba fire chef car, is it? Yeah, this is the real life picture right over here. And it based on the real car, obviously. This car released alongside the GTX 4-door, which Mr. Kang will be unboxing that car. Because I don't know, I just like this fire chef more. I don't know, the design is better than the GTX for me. I don't like the GTX wheels, and this, well, I mean, it's great, isn't it? Because this one is an old model but with a new box, so they just like reuse the old model and they add some like fire chef detail, like the lights and the paints and the liveries. But basically this is based on the real car. So let us unbox it then with the special tool that I made from ice cream sticks to open the box. I mean, this box is really hard to open. Like, it's fucking hard to open. I can't seem to open it really. Like, man, every single time when I open Tomytec, it's really hard because I don't know why. It's just fucking hard. Both sides is same. Oh my god, there it is. There is. Oh, now you see. Oh no, that's fucking nice. Oh, that's great. That is really nice. So, oh my god, it's heavy as hell, man. Damn. Take a look at this. Now Hang is gonna, like, his car is gonna be arriving late. My car already arrived now, so let me adjust the light and zoom in. So it's really nice, really nicely detailed. Wow. Whoa, the brake calipers. Now I thought this car don't have brake calipers like the Lexus. The Lexus doesn't have brake caliper. This one does, and the number plate is nice. Now, my biggest problem with all Tomica model and Tomytecs include is this stupid light right over here. This lighting situation is absolutely, yeah, yeah, that, can you see that? That thing there, that circular thing. It's not a detail of the car, it's just the mounting point of this plastic light, which is really badly integrated. Some car you can even see it like really clearly, and this one is no exception. It's look really bad in the front, especially with this mounting thing. I absolutely hate it. Apart from that, the number plate is absolutely detailed. It's nice, and the Skyline logo. The Skyline logo could be done better. It's a bit like the paint is a bit yeah, out of place, but the chrome detail is fine. The fog lights is quite nicely detailed as well. Okay, so I just noticed some of the black stuff here is a bit red, so some of the vents here is badly done. Overall is nice. You can see the fire chef right there, and the Chichiba city fire chef department, whatever it is, here. And you can see the GT badge there, really nice. So is it the mid-range model of the Skyline? I think this is the mid-range sedan model, saloon model, or whatever you call. So at the rear, oh my god, look at this. Now this is way better than the front end. The rear lights is really well integrated, and you cannot see the mounting point at all. Like, it, yeah, there's no mounting point behind in the rear, whereas, yeah, the front end is really bad. I can't stand that mounting point thing. Anyway, the number plate is separate this time, and well, oh my god, it's nice. Oh damn, what is this sticker right here? I can't seems to see it clearly. What the hell is this? Yeah, it's nice. GT logo right there. Oh, now this is really nice. And you got the boot lock as well. Wow, that's nice. Now I don't think this car come with any sticking parts. Let us check. No, nothing. No. Right, that's good. That's good. So there's no need to be, you know, sticking stuff in. I really hate Tomytec when they just do like separate part and you have to stick it by yourself. Sometimes you might cock it up and ruin the car. The mirror is really nicely, well, it's not really that detailed because there's no well, they're usually, if you pay like expensive car, there usually will be like I don't know, like a gray thing there. But yeah, the mirror is not that detailed, but it's nicely shaped. Paint is very nice actually. I'm not sure if this will like, I don't know, it might be the paint might pop sometime, but I don't know. Let's see. The wheel is great. I love this wheel, man. I absolutely do love this wheel. The brake calipers and everything is really nicely detailed as well. Unfortunately, there is no logo on the wheel, but it's fine, man. It's fine for me. The brake caliper is everything. Oh damn, that's nice. This is the bottom of the car. Now you see, that's indicate that, yeah. This model is really long ago, like the production year is really long time ago. This is recycling the model, but this is a great diecast, I think, because the overall design is really nice. I just think the overall design is nice, but but it's just a reused model basically. Skyline R34 made in China. Now you see, okay, this is the LV-N363a, and the chassis for the original Skyline is LV-N126, and they don't bother change that, so that's really interesting. I wonder if they're gonna do a full fat GTR Skyline in the future. Tomytec, I'm not sure. Maybe they will. But so far, okay, the suspension. As always, Tomytec is really hard with the suspension. Like, the suspension is really firm for some reason. But so far so good. No complaints on this car actually. Actually really nice. So if you just look from afar, it look really cool. Like, it just look damn cool, man. Really cool for that. Like, if you don't go into the detail, like this stupid front mounting point light, it look really nice. Like, if you just pre-third, yeah, like this angle is really nice. Don't look straight like this because you're gonna spot the mounting point. Just look at slightly sideways like this. Side view is nice also. Look at that. Rear view, oh, that's nice. That's really nice. So what I like about this is there's no spoiler. It look really clean. Oh yeah, that's nice. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, see you in the next video. I mean, I have a lot of video currently in edit right now, so please wait. The Hakone video is coming soon. That took a while to edit, obviously. And yeah, well, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment as well. See ya.